In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView, a comprehensive guide for both beginners and seasoned traders as we navigate the platform in detail. TradingView is a powerful charting tool used by millions, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be up to speed with all the essential features it has to offer. Let's start by heading over to TradingView's website. Once there, we're greeted by a remarkably intuitive interface. At the center of this platform is the chart area where all the magic happens. To begin, pay attention to the highlights on the screen. I'll guide you to click on these throughout our journey, helping you discover every crucial feature. As we explore, clicking on the highlights will reveal various tools and functionalities integral to trading. Notably, you'll find the TradingView toolbar on the left. Each icon offers a different tool, starting from cursors, objects like trend lines, and Fibonacci tools to more complex annotation and prediction tools. These will be your companions in charting your desired securities. One key feature to understand is how to create and manage your watch lists. This functionality is pivotal as it helps you keep track of securities you are interested in, be it stocks, indices, or cryptocurrency pairs. You can click on the watch list section to access it. Here you can add symbols, remove them, or even organize your lists by sector or category. This helps streamline your trading and ensures that you're always on top of the market moves you're most interested in. Furthermore, TradingView is prolific with its use of indicators. The indicators section, which again can be accessed by clicking on the highlighted area, offers a plethora of options, from simple moving averages to more complex oscillators. You can easily search and select the indicators you want by typing in the designated search field. Each indicator can be customized in terms of settings and appearance, providing in-depth technical analysis options to cater to your trading style. As you grow more familiar with the platform, you'll want to customize your workspace even further. Click on the highlighted Tools menu to access your preferences, be it the look of your chart, the color scheme, or other personal preferences. Every element can be tailored to enhance your trading experience. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with each feature through clicking the highlights and experimenting. This will not only improve your trading efficiency, but also ensure you're using TradingView to its full potential. There we have it, a quick yet comprehensive tour of TradingView. With practice and experimentation, you'll be able to harness the power of this versatile platform, helping you make informed trading decisions with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.